Looking for the perfect way to stay cool on the go? In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best portable handheld fans you can buy right now. Whether you're at the gym, traveling, or just out in the heat, these fans are compact, powerful, and made to beat the summer heat. Let's get into the list. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Jilife Portable Handheld Fan, Speed, 1 to 100, Adjustable Turbo Mini and 3600 mAh Battery Rechargeable Personal Fan, Digital Display, Gifts for Women Men Travel Camping / Outdoor Pink. The Jilife Portable Handheld Fan stands out with its precise 100 speed adjustable turbo setting. You're not just stuck with low, medium, or high. This fan lets you fine-tune your airflow exactly how you like it. Whether you're sitting indoors or out in the summer heat, this kind of control makes a real difference. It features a powerful yet quiet motor, making it ideal for both personal use at your desk or while you're traveling. The high-speed setting is surprisingly strong for such a compact size, offering powerful airflow while still keeping noise to a minimum. The turbo mode gives you a blast of cooling air, especially handy during peak heat hours. The built-in 3600 mAh rechargeable battery provides a solid runtime, capable of lasting up to 12 hours depending on the speed setting. You can recharge it via USB-C, which adds convenience and faster charging than older micro USB models. A full charge takes about 3 hours, and it's ready to go again. Another premium feature is the digital display that shows both the speed level and remaining battery percentage. This lets you monitor the exact airflow setting and how much power you've got left, so there's no guesswork when it's time to recharge. It's super lightweight and fits comfortably in your hand or bag, weighing less than most smartphones. The matte pink finish gives it a sleek, modern look, making it a popular gift choice. The build quality feels solid with a clean, minimal design that doesn't feel flimsy or cheap. Number 2. FR Neck Fan, Portable Personal Fan Strong Wind, 5200 mAh, Air Volume, 360-degree cooling, no hair twisting, air volume on 2 sides, non-slip, quick charge, long use time, gift for father, dad, women. The FR Neck Fan is designed for comfort, performance, and safety. With a wraparound headphone-style design, it rests gently on your neck, offering a truly hands-free cooling experience. What sets it apart is the dual-side air outlets that provide full 360 degrees airflow, so you're getting steady cooling all around your neck and face. Powered by a strong 5200 mAh rechargeable battery, this fan delivers extended usage on a single charge anywhere from 4 to 16 hours depending on the speed setting. The USB-C charging port allows for faster recharging times, so you're back in action quicker than traditional micro USB models. It's engineered for powerful wind output with a quiet motor system. The air volume is substantial, and even at lower speeds, it's strong enough to provide consistent relief from heat. Whether you're walking, jogging, working outdoors, or just doing chores around the house, it's easy to forget you're even wearing it. One of its best features is the bladeless fan design, which makes it completely safe, no risk of hair getting caught or twisted, even if you have long hair. That makes it ideal for daily use and family-friendly, with no extra maintenance required. The ergonomic build is both lightweight and non-slip. It stays firmly in place even during movement, which is perfect for commuting, hiking, biking, or working outdoors. The flexible arms allow for some adjustment to better direct airflow where you need it. Number 3. Drio Tower Fan for Bedroom, 25 feet per second velocity quiet floor fan, 90 degrees oscillating fans for indoors with 4 speeds, 4 modes, 8H timer, standing fans, bladeless fan, black, Nomad 1, DRHTF007. The Drio Tower Fan is engineered to deliver strong airflow in a slim, bladeless design. With a maximum velocity of 25 feet per second, it pushes a powerful breeze across your room, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, and home offices. One standout feature is the 90 degrees oscillation, which helps distribute air across a wide area. This makes it efficient at cooling down an entire room, especially when paired with air conditioning. The airflow is smooth and consistent, thanks to its turbine fan blade system that mimics natural wind patterns. It comes equipped with 4 speed settings and 4 different wind modes, including normal, natural, sleep, and auto. These modes allow you to adjust based on your preference or time of day. The sleep mode gradually reduces the fan speed over time, helping you stay comfortable overnight without sudden airflow changes. Noise reduction is another key strength of this model. At its lowest settings, it's virtually silent, and even at higher speeds, the sound remains soft and non-intrusive. That makes it perfect for nighttime use or for keeping your workspace quiet and cool. The included 8-hour timer function is great for energy efficiency. You can set it and forget it without worrying about turning it off. It also comes with a slim remote control for easy adjustments from across the room, plus a simple control panel on top with a clear digital display. Number 4. SIPower Neck Fan, Portable Personal Neck Cooling Rechargeable Bladeless Fan, Hands-free 3-speed 4000 mAh battery USB-operated wearable headphone design for men/women outdoor-indoor, white. The SIPower Neck Fan is built for true on-the-go cooling with its hands-free, headphone-style design. Unlike traditional fans, it features bladeless technology, making it safe, quiet, and efficient. It's perfect for outdoor activities, commutes, or simply relaxing indoors without needing to hold a fan. It runs on a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, which provides up to 16 hours of cooling depending on your speed setting. The fan charges quickly through USB, allowing you to get back to full power in just a few hours. 3 adjustable speed levels let you control the airflow based on the environment. The low setting is subtle enough for indoor use, while the highest setting delivers a strong breeze that wraps around your face and neck evenly. Its 360 degrees air outlet design makes a noticeable difference in overall comfort. Instead of focusing air in just one direction, it circulates it gently but effectively around your head and upper chest. This is especially useful in hot and humid conditions where airflow needs to feel more natural. The fan is extremely quiet, even on higher settings. That makes it ideal for use at work, during travel, or while reading, studying, or sleeping. The low noise operation won't interrupt calls or conversations, and it remains consistent over time. The lightweight construction is ergonomic and comfortable for long wear. The material is soft, with a skin-friendly coating that doesn't irritate even after hours of use. It fits most neck sizes and doesn't slip easily, thanks to its non-slip internal grip design. Number 5. Jilife Portable Handheld Fan Ultra 2, 9000 mAh max 25 hours, 5in1, 100-speed turbo fan rechargeable 18W power bank with flashlight, metal shell multifunction travel essentials gifts for men gray. The Jilife Ultra 2 is more than just a fan, it's a multifunctional travel tool. With a massive 9000 mAh battery, this device serves as a powerful handheld fan, emergency power bank, flashlight, and more, all in one compact unit. It features a 100-speed turbofan system, allowing you to fine-tune the airflow to exactly how you like it. Whether you're indoors, commuting, or exploring outdoors, this fan adjusts perfectly for low breeze or high-velocity cooling. The turbo mode provides an extra boost of airflow when the heat really kicks in. The battery life is impressive, up to 25 hours depending on the speed. That's more than enough for a full day of travel or multiple days of moderate use. And because it's rechargeable via fast-charging USB-C, you can power it up quickly between uses. One unique feature is its built-in flashlight, which is great for camping, power outages, or nighttime activities. The light is bright and directional, making it surprisingly useful in emergency or low-light conditions. It also works as an 18W power bank. You can charge your phone or other USB devices directly from the fan, ideal for travelers, hikers, or anyone who needs backup power on the go. The digital display lets you monitor speed and remaining battery so you're never caught off guard. The metal shell adds a premium, durable feel to the unit. It's tough enough to withstand drops in travel wear while still being comfortable to hold. Despite its powerful motor, it operates quietly and efficiently. The 5-in-1 functionality makes it a top choice for people who want versatility in a single device. It's not just for cooling, it's a true travel companion that keeps you powered, lit, and comfortable in all conditions. Thanks for watching. If you found the perfect handheld fan today, check out the links in the description to grab yours. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart product reviews. Stay cool and see you in the next video.